In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion effectively. This is a great way to combine the scheduling prowess of Google Calendar with the organizational versatility of Notion, allowing you to maintain a seamless workflow. So let's dive right into the process. It's simple, straightforward, and will save you a lot of time and effort. First, we'll start by making your Google Calendar shareable. Go ahead and open Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see a gear icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select Settings. Now, under the Settings for My Calendars section, you will see a list of the calendars you've created. Click on the calendar you wish to link to Notion. This part is important, so make sure you select the correct one. Next, scroll down until you find Access Permissions for Events. Here, you'll see an option that says Make Available to Public. Check this box. As you do so, Google will display a warning message reminding you that making your calendar public means anyone with the link can view it. Be sure this is something you're comfortable with, and then go ahead and confirm your choice. Having made your calendar public, continue scrolling down to find the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you'll come across the public URL to this calendar. You will need to copy this link for the next step, so keep it handy. Now it's time to embed this calendar into Notion. Go to your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you'd like the calendar to appear. Once you're there, type the / key followed by embed and select the embed option from the list that appears. In the space provided, paste the Google Calendar public URL that you copied earlier. Once the URL is inserted, you'll see an option to embed link. Give it a click. After a brief moment, your Google Calendar will appear directly in your Notion page as an interactive read-only view. While the calendar integrates seamlessly into your Notion setup, it's important to note that this view is for browsing only within Notion. Any management or editing of events will still need to be done directly in Google Calendar. However, this setup allows you to view and keep track of your schedules efficiently from within Notion, taking advantage of Google Calendar's comprehensive features without leaving your workspace. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly link your Google Calendar to Notion, aligning your schedules and keeping all your important dates and tasks at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance your productivity and organization.